Hi, I'm Osayomwanbor, a cinematography student of the Optimist Film Academy, batch 2021. Today I'm doing a music video as my project. I'm working with an artist, Merit, doing a song, Perfectly Imperfect, and so far so good. I'm going to explore everything I've been taught in the academy, do some manipulation with the light, work with some guys in the academy like Ebuka and Efosa, and hopefully the project will come out perfectly. The experience so far, shooting a music video and working with quite a number of people, working with the artist, the excitement was there. The artist was excited. I like her flow, her expression, how she related with the camera and every other thing. We disagreed in quite a number of ideas, disagreed in quite a number of light positioning, but with the help of our director and putting us together, we came out with a perfect video. Hope you love it. Sit back and relax. Thank you.
When I'm sad, when I'm happy, you know it all. You see, when I'm confused, when I'm afraid, you see my flaws. I don't need to worry, 'cause even in my weakest state, you're with me. You're with me. You are here to stay with me and make me more like you. You are beside me. You are beside me. Oh, perfectly imperfect. Oh, perfectly imperfect. Oh, we are perfect in you. Oh, perfectly imperfect. Perfectly imperfect. We are perfect in you. Yes, I was nailed with Christ on the cross, buried with Him with my guilt and fault. I'll never fear, 'cause I have been bought with a price. I'm a son, I'm a child of God, yeah. I'm made perfect and spotless and flawless and fearless, and I'm hoping that you be taking me through the process and the journey, 'cause I ain't going nowhere if you're never coming with me. You promised you would never leave me. You were with me, you're beside me, working with me. I believe it and I know it, even though sometimes my imperfections try to bring me down, try to weigh me down, mess my thoughts up and break me down. But I got a Father who's perfectly perfect, who heals me when I'm broken until I am made perfect. Yeah, He woke me up this morning and He told me that He loves me, and He told me He will never leave me just because I'm worth it. Perfectly perfect, oh. Perfectly perfect, oh. We are perfect, oh. Perfectly perfect, oh. Perfectly perfect, oh. We are perfect. Sometimes my insecurities, my experience broken me, cuts me deep, takes my sleep. Sometimes I just wanna scream, but I have come to see the light. Your love has made me see the light. Now I know I'm perfect, just because you're perfect. Oh. that I am perfect in Him. Oh, He died and it took my pain away and my shame away. I know that I'm perfect in Him.
Special appreciation to the management, Optimist Film Academy, to our instructors, and a big thank you to my sponsors, Regent Ministries Incorporated, to my father in the Lord, Bishop Benjamin Okedion, for this sponsorship, for this scholarship. Thank you from the depth of my heart. I'm grateful, Daddy, for this opportunity. I pray the Lord reward your hard labor in the vineyard. Thank you, Daddy. And a big thank you to my colleagues, Efosa, Ebuka, to the photography student. A big thank you to my editor, Efosa, and a big thank you to my video editors. Thank you, thank you, thank you.